This is the most important thing. It is the secret of large companies. A code to be dialed. Now, thanks to this device, we have a 4G mobile network. Let's go!
Hello friends! In this video we are going to show you one of the best kept secrets of telephone companies. How to have a free 4G internet network on your mobile phone. Let's go there! To build our 4G device and be able to have free and unlimited internet on our mobile phone, we will need the following elements, which are also very easy to get. First, of course, we will need a mobile phone. Then a cable, a piece of approximately 28 centimeters, and another piece of cable. The following is a charging cable from our mobile phone, which also transmits data. And also a magnet. This magnet has a diameter of approximately 50 millimeters. Also, of course, a SIM, nano SIM, or micro SIM card. It doesn't matter, because what we really need is the chip on the card. Let's see how this is made. The first thing we have to say about our phone is that it must be a mobile phone capable of supporting the 4G network. Then, as we will check right now, you will see that the Wi-Fi is not enabled, okay? We have no data on this SIM card. Therefore, if we go to the internet, then there is no connection. There's no connection, and there is no connection, you see. We go back, we enter YouTube, there's also no connection, okay? With that said, let's start building our 4G receiver device. Let's go there. First of all, we will need to strip the ends of this wire. Just a little bit around here. And a little bit around here, okay? We will also strip the ends of this cable. The next thing, of all this cable, we only need the part from the connector to the mobile. So we remove this part. This out. And we must also peel it. We will cut a piece approximately like this, a couple of centimeters.
Muy bien.
Very good. We cut the excess, thus the remains that it has inside.
Bien
Well
cortaditos.
Very good. And we will also strip the ends of the cable. One.
Y dos.
Two. We will roll the ends well. And continue with the next step. Now we are going to put this here. We are going to start putting a little bit of tin on the end of the wires. a little bit of tin on the end of the wires.
Perfect.
Very good. Now we will take our nano SIM card in this position with the cut, the die cut here. We will stick it on the magnet. We are going to paste it here, okay? The magnet, together with the device that we are going to make, what it's going to form is an amplifier for this card to receive the 4G network. Let's go there. To paste the card, we will put a little hot glue. And we will glue the card. We remove the remains of glue and verify that it has been well attached. It must also be said that this magnet is a neodymium magnet. Before I said the size, which is about 50 mm, and it must have this hole in the center. The magnet is 4 mm thick. The north pole of the magnet's magnetic field is located on this face. Therefore, the card will be stuck on the face of the north pole of the magnet's magnetic field. Very well. The next thing we will do now is wrap this cable around the magnet in the following way. First, these go like this. And we turn from back to front. Two turns. Tight. And 3 turns. Okay? We put it like this. And now we will proceed to solder the cables on the SIM card. To weld it well, I am going to apply a stripper gel that will make the weld apply correctly. And now we solder with a little tin like this. Here the cable is a little too long, so we will cut it and put the tin back on it. We will solder this cable here. Perfect. and we will weld this one down here. So it would look like this. Now, to make it look better, we will finish the work a little and it will be more beautiful. The next thing we will do is taking the data transmission and USB charging cable and we will pass the cable through this little hole.
El cable.
We passed it through here, like this, roughly like this, and now we solder these wires.
Cable
The black
negro
wire
va
goes
aquí.
here. And the red wire goes here. Stay in this way. Finally, we have to solder this cable, which only makes us a bridge between this point and this other point. So the device would look like this. We have to be very careful that the solders do not join each of the pins. In this one, since down here this pin and this one were attached underneath, it doesn't matter if they are together. Well, so now let's review. We make 3 turns. One wire goes to the east pin on the top right, and the other on the bottom left. Then we put the red cable from the USB connector to the mobile, the black cable on the left center pin, and the red cable on the lower right pin. And finally, we make a bridge with a cable between the upper left pin and the central right pin. If you do it this way, we would already have our 4G receiver connected. Then, with the hot glue gun, we put glue all over so that the cables do not join. So we also give it a little more robustness to prevent it from breaking with the slightest blow. So, very good. Another little bit around here. And at the back we will put another little bit here to give the cable strength. Once the glue has cooled, we remove the excess. Everything that is left over. And we have this. This system with the magnet, what it does is amplifying the signal. The 4G card will now give us the 4G signal on the mobile. Now, to give our 4G receiver device a little more robustness, what we are going to do is wrap this with electrical tape. In this way, it will be much more compact and much less fragile. Very well. As we can see, our 4G module is very well compacted with the insulating tape. This way, we will prevent any wire from being unsoldered or any other thing, okay? Here we have our USB connector that will go to the USB socket of our mobile phone. We are going to try it. We have the cell phone here, okay? We click there, the YouTube icon. There is still no internet. Retry, no internet. Fine. Now we connect the 4G receiver module, but it still won't work. It still doesn't work. You see, there is no internet. Now, this is the most important thing. This is where the secret of the companies comes, which is a code that must be marked. With that secret code, we will enable our 4G receiver. The secret code is as follows: asterisk 1582237 hash. And then, look, I'm going to put my finger resting on the key to turn off the phone, because as soon as I give the call, I have to turn off the phone quickly. Let's go there. If you don't do it like that, it won't work. 1, 2, and 3. And shut down and reboot. Perfect. Let's see. Very good. Now we wait a little while. And as we can see, the 4G icon has appeared here. 4G, okay? Now, in theory, yes, thanks to this device, we already have a 4G mobile network. We are going to try it. Let's see, the crazy channel. Here's our channel. Here we have another very interesting video, Free Infinite Energy. The spinner at full speed. We entered this video, for example. Oh, and here it is. Perfect, we have totally free internet. Free internet. Very well. Now we enter here in Google Chrome. The crazy channel, we search, we get here. Wow, this is incredible. The best kept secret of all phone companies, just for you. With a SIM card, a magnet, and a few bits of cable, this is super simple. Well, nothing friends. If you like the video, share, subscribe and give it a like. Until the next video, I hope you liked it.